Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video you will learn how to name complex molecules of hydrocarbons. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on, so you don't miss any videos in the future. Please watch the part 1 video so you would have previous knowledge and understanding about this topic. Let's go back to our lesson. Hydrocarbons are not just simple molecules containing only main chain of carbon. They can also have substituents molecules bonded within or at the end of the main chain. To name such compounds, number the carbons and choose the correct prefix. Then add L at the end of the prefix. For example, methyl. Do not forget to indicate the position of the substituents by using a locant. Also, you should consider that if there are multiple substituents in the main chain of the molecule, then name the substituents in order based on the alphabetical order. For example, ethyl always comes first, then methyl. If there are more substituents in the same carbon in the main chain, you should communicate how many there are. The multiplier are named based the IUPAC, which are 2 for D, 3 for tri, 4 for tetera, 5 for penta. When you consider to indicate or assign the locants on the molecule, you should consider to the lowest value for that substituents. For example, in this case the substituents in this molecule. From left to right the substituent is on the carbon 4. However, from right to left it is on carbon 1. Therefore assign the locants on carbon 1. Here is an example of the hydrocarbon molecule with multiple substituents in the main chain. Go ahead and pause the video and give it a try. Following the nomenclature, you can name the molecule as follows. There are 5 carbon atom in the main chain. Therefore the prefix is pent. There are 1 double bond between carbon 1 and 2. Reading from left to right. Therefore the suffix is 1-ene. The substituents are placed in the carbon 3 of the main chain. As such, following the multiplier rule for organic nomenclature, the name will include dimethyl. Thus the name of the molecule is 3,3-dimethylpent-1-ene. Note that this double 3 is written to indicate that there are double methyl branch placed on the main chain. Here is another example of the hydrocarbon molecule. Go ahead and pause the video and give it a try. There are 7 carbon in the main chain. Therefore the prefix is hept. There is 1 double bond between carbon 3 and 4. Remember from left to right, as we have to write the locant with the lowest value. As such the suffix is 3-ene. There are 2 methane molecule on carbon 5 from left to right. Note that the locants of the substituent molecules should be numbered from where the double bond is, which is from left to right. Thus the first part of the name includes double 5. Note that the number of substituents are double, therefore the prefix D should be written. Therefore the name of the molecule is 5,5-dimethylhept-2-ene. Here is another example of the carbon molecule. Go ahead and pause the video and give it a try. There are 8 carbon atom in the main chain. Therefore the prefix October should be given. As the lines indicates between each carbon, it shows the type of bonding is single. As such it should have the suffix on. Now the substituents remain. As you can see from left to right, the first substituent is on carbon 3. However, from right to left the first substituent is on carbon 2. Therefore following the nomenclature, naming the carbon chain with the lowest locant. From right to left, the molecule's name should include 2, 4, 5 and 6. Now you can see, on carbon 5 there is an ethane group. Therefore following the multiplier assigning substituents, then name the substituent in alphabetical order. As such ethyl comes first in the methyl. The name of the molecule is 5-ethyl-2,4,6-trimethyloctane. It was a lot to take. One thing you should remember, that practice makes everything perfect. Stress doesn't give you profit. Now, thank you so much for watching my video.